Good morning children. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In the last class we have learned about the carbohydrates and fats. Now next we shall move to the other topic, that is proteins. What did I told in carbohydrates and fats? I told they both are the energy giving foods. Now we shall see about these proteins. These proteins are also third type of nutrients I told. First type is carbohydrates, second is fats, third is the proteins. Why these proteins are useful for our body means they give us good growth. If you eat this type of food, what will happen means good growth will be there in your body, and if your any body parts are damaged, okay, they will repair our body parts. For growing and repairing our body parts, these protein food are very useful for us. Understood? Why these proteins are useful means for growth of our body and repairing our body parts. These proteins are present in which food items we shall see now. See, these proteins will be available in beans, peas, pulses. Okay, these beans, peas, pulses are under what? Plants. We get these all food items from the plants. Yes or no? Next, it will be available in some animals also, proteins. Like which food means milk, cheese, fish, chicken, paneer. Fish, chicken, all these are non-veg items, and milk, cheese and paneer are what? These all are the products which we get from milk. Again we get milk from where? From animals only. Yes or no? From cow or buffalo. Okay, all these food items which we get from plants and animals are protein food. In all these food items we will have proteins. I told why these proteins are useful. They help us in growing our body parts, and if any body parts are also damaged, they will repair. So they are building our body. That's why they gave the name for proteins as body building food. Yes or no? It is useful for growth of our body, I told. No? So can we call it as body building food? Yes. What is the name for proteins? Other name for proteins means you should say body building food. These proteins can also be called as body building food. Remember before I told what? Carbohydrates and fats give us energy. So carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food, and these proteins are useful for growth of our body. No? So these are called as a body building food. For which people this protein food is useful means for young people, that is youth, and like you children also, growing children. Why? Because if you eat this type of food which contains proteins, what will happen? Your growth will be good. Okay, it is not useful that much for adults. Adults means what? Big people. Why? Because they have already grown, now they will not grow anymore. Now the growing people are you. So you should eat more food which contains of proteins, that is milk, fish, chicken, beans, pulses, all this food which contains proteins you need to eat more, you growing children. Okay, and this proteins is also called as body building food. Now we shall see some pictures which contains of the proteins. Okay, wait, next page. See, I told that proteins are also called as the body building food, no? As our body is growing, yes or no? Growth in our body is seen through these proteins. These are the pictures of the body building food items. I already told you the in these all food items the proteins will be present. That first one is what? Fish, meat, that is non-veg. Next one is cottage cheese, that is nothing but paneer, you know that. Eggs, beans, dal, pappu, no, milk. In all these food items, these proteins will be present. These proteins is also called as a body building food, I told. No, here they have given one activity, do it. Let us read it. See, vegetarians only eat food that comes from the plants. Yes or no? Vegetarians means what? Who will not eat any non-veg, means they will not eat any chicken, meat, fish, and they will not eat even the milk products which comes from animals also. Okay, like milk, these also they will not drink. Okay, what they will eat means only veg items like vegetables, green leafy vegetables, they eat. In this picture what they have given, see, in the picture find 3 protein rich food items that are eaten by the non-vegetarians only. Okay, in this they have given us some food items. They are asking us to find any 3 protein rich food. Up only pictures are there, no? Yeah, from that you take which non-veg people will eat, any three pictures you select. See here, chicken is there, fish is there. These all are non-vegetarians only, no? Like that your eggs are there. Okay, like that you select any three. Okay, understood about proteins. These proteins are called as a body building food, and I told carbohydrates and fats are called as the energy giving food. Don't forget, these are very important. Which food is called as the energy giving food, they'll ask. You should say carbohydrates and fats, and they'll ask which type of food is called as the proteins. You should say body building food. Okay, our next topic is about vitamins and minerals. I told in nutrients there are 5 types. First type is carbohydrates, finish. Second is fats. Third is proteins. Fourth is vitamins. Fifth is the minerals. Now we shall learn about these vitamins and minerals together. Why we need to eat food which contains of the vitamins and minerals means they help us to fight against the diseases, like means without getting fever, typhoid, or without getting any diseases, they fight with that. Okay, if you are getting any disease, if you got any disease, you are suffering from any disease means if you eat this food which contains vitamins and minerals, they fight with that germs and throw off that diseases. Okay, so you need to eat this food for getting rid from diseases. Okay, these vitamins and minerals are protecting us, no? Yes or no? Without getting any diseases, they are protecting us. When they will protect you? If you eat this food only, they will protect you. Simply without eating, if you be, they will not protect you. That's why they gave the name for these vitamins and minerals as a protective food. If they ask what is the other name for vitamins and minerals means, what you should say? You should say protective food. You no need to eat much and much this food which contains of vitamins and minerals. Okay, like that without eating also you should not be. Without eating you should not be, and you should not eat more and more also. In limit, how much you need, if you eat that much, if you eat enough, that time only you will be there without getting any diseases. Okay, here they have given some food items. See in which food items is vitamins and minerals is present. See, protective food means what I told? Vitamins and minerals, as they are protecting from without getting any diseases. Spinach means you know na, palakura. Next is peas, that is batani. Cabbage, lemon, orange, tomatoes. Okay, in all these type of foods, vitamins and minerals will be present. Now we shall learn in detail about some vitamins and some minerals. Okay. First we shall learn about the vitamins. See, here some vitamins A, B, C, D. These are called as the vitamins. In vitamins there will be of 2 types: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Okay. See, first here they have given mainly 4 vitamins. What are they? A, B, C and D. We shall learn about each other. First vitamin what? A. This vitamin A is present in which food items? We shall see now. The vitamin A is present in carrot, spinach, that is palakura, cod liver oil means some fish liver oil, and papaya. In all these fruits and vegetables, this will be present, vitamin A. Okay, if we eat this type of food, what will happen? What is its function? Means it will keep our eye and skin healthy. Okay, if you eat this type of food like carrot, that's why our parents will say no to eat carrot every day. If you eat this carrot, green leafy vegetables, it will keep your eyes very good. Without getting sight, you will be there, and your skin also will be very healthy, glowing. It will be there. And if you have not eaten this type of vitamin A, which disease you will get? Means night blindness. Okay, if you have not eaten the food which consists of vitamin A means all the eye diseases related to eye you will be getting. What is this disease name? Is night blindness. Okay, understood? Next one is vitamin B. Vitamin B is present in which food items? We shall see now. It is available in milk, spinach, again palakura, meat. Seafood means what? From sea we will get no crabs, fishes, all these food. Next, it will keep our muscles and nerves healthy. Nerves means నరాలు అంటాం కదా నాన్న, those one. Okay, green color it will be there. No, if you eat this type of food, it will keep our muscles and nerves very healthy. If you have not eaten this food, which disease you will get? Beriberi. What is that? Beriberi. Don't think eating berry రేగిపండు అనుకునేరు. This is a disease name, beriberi. Here vitamin B started with letter B. Here disease name is also beriberi, it is started with B. Remember like that. Through vitamin B, which disease you will get means immediately remember B letter, that is beriberi. You should take the option beriberi. Okay, they will give you like this. If you not eat the food which contains vitamin B, which disease you will get? A option night blindness, B beriberi, C scurvy, D rickets. Immediately you should tick on the beriberi option. Okay. Next one is vitamin C. Vitamin C is available in what? అన్ని పుల్ల ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదన్నా, వాటిలో ఉంటాయి. సి దోస్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఓన్లీ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద సిట్రస్ ఫ్రూట్స్. సోర్ ఉంటాయి కదా పుల్లగా. సో సిట్రస్ ఫ్రూట్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ఆరెంజ్, lemon, tomatoes. Okay, in all these fruits vitamin C will be present, and in some green leafy vegetables also vitamin C will be present. If you eat this type of food items, what? It keeps our gums strong. Gums ante chigullu. Okay, పళ్ళ కింద ఉంటాయి కదా రెడ్ కలర్, దోస్ వన్. అండ్ ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ అవర్ wounds టు హీల్ క్విక్లీ. మీకు ఏమైనా దెబ్బ తగిలింది అనుకో, అది తొందరగా తగ్గిపోతుంది ఇఫ్ యూ ఈట్ దిస్ ఫుడ్ విచ్ కంటైన్స్ వైటమిన్ సి. అండ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో స్ట్రెంగ్థెన్స్ అవర్ ఇమ్యూనే సిస్టమ్. విచ్ డిసీజ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్ ఈట్ దిస్ వైటమిన్ సి మీన్స్ స్కర్వీ. Okay, what is this disease name? Scurvy. Okay, SCURVY, scurvy spelling. Understood? Next one is vitamin D. Vitamin D is what? Mainly every day your parents will ask you to sit under the sunlight early morning. Why? Because if you sit under the sunlight, you'll get the vitamin D. Okay, this is present in which food items? Milk, cheese, fish, butter, sunlight. This milk, cheese, butter all are the milk products. Yes or no? Okay, next fish, mainly it is available in the sunlight. If you have not eaten this type of foods and not sit under the sunlight, what will happen? You will get the disease called rickets. Okay, and it keeps our bones, teeth also strong. If you eat these food items, your bones will be strong and your teeth will be strong. If you have not eaten, you will get the disease called rickets. Remember this disease names, it is very important. If vitamin A food items, if you have not eaten, you will get all the eye diseases, that is night blindness. If vitamin B food you have not eaten, you will get disease called beriberi. If vitamin C food you have not eaten, you will get disease called scurvy. And vitamin D if you have not eaten, you will get the disease called rickets. Okay, this is about the vitamins. I hope you understood about the vitamins. And the next topic is about the minerals. Okay, same like vitamins also, minerals are useful for keeping our bones, teeth and blood strong. Okay, see here they have given us two types of minerals. First one is calcium. Calcium is a mineral. Okay, every day morning your mother will give you milk. Why? Because if you drink milk every day, you will get calcium. Okay, so you need to eat every day this milk and milk products, and it is also available cabbage, eggs, fish. Okay, if you eat all these type of foods, it will be helped in growing our bones and teeth. Okay, if you eat the food items which contains calcium, it will be useful for our growth of bones and teeth. If you have not eaten this food which contains calcium, means you will get a disease called osteoporosis. What is this? Osteoporosis. OSTEOPOROSIS. Okay, osteoporosis is the disease. And the next mineral is what? Iron. Okay, if you this iron is present in which food items? We shall see. Grains, green leafy vegetables like spinach, meat, egg yolk. Egg yolk means what? In egg two parts will be there. No, white color one will be there, yellow color one will be there. Inside yellow color one is called yolk. Yellow starts with Y. No, yolk also is starting with Y. Remember like that. Egg yolk means inside yellow color one. Next, in some fruits also like banana and apple, this iron will be present. Okay, what is its function? Means it is used by our body to make the blood. For making blood in our body, this iron is useful. If you have not eaten these food items, you will get the disease called anemia. What is this disease name? Anemia. 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 Okay, understood? By this we have completed about the nutrients. Carbohydrates is finished, okay, fats is finished, proteins is finished, vitamins is finished, and minerals is finished. Names you remember, these are important. Carbohydrates and fats are called as the energy giving food. What? Carbohydrates and fats are giving us energy, so they are called as the energy giving food. Proteins, with the help of the proteins our body bodybuilding will be good. I told, no, there will be good growth in our body, so proteins are called as the bodybuilding food. And vitamins and minerals are protecting us from without getting any diseases, so vitamins and minerals are called as the protective food. In the starting lesson, in the previous part, what did I told for you? In the food items, it will be also consists of the roughage and water. Yes or no? After nutrients, I told you, in food there will be roughage and water also will be present. Roughage means what? Fiber food. ఫైబర్ అంటే ఏందన్నా, పీచు పదార్థాలు అంటాం కదా, సొరకాయ, దోసకాయ, బీరకాయ, ఆల్ దోస్, ఓకే, కీర దోసకాయ. ఇన్ దోస్ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఫైబర్ విల్ be present. Remember, this roughage will not come under the nutrients again. In roughage and water, nutrients will be not present. Okay, this doesn't come under the nutrients. In food, this roughage food will be present. That's all. Okay, now we shall see this roughage, that is nothing but fiber food is present in which food items? In oatmeal, fruits, and some vegetables, this fiber will be present. Fiber means what? Nothing but roughage food. Roughage food or fiber food, both are same. Why these are useful for us means for proper digestion. Okay, whatever food you eat, where it will be digested? In the small intestine it will be digested, but this roughage food, that is fiber food, will not be digested in the small intestine. Okay, roughage food means like fiber food, and some seeds will be sent outside through the large intestine. Okay, they will be going out through large intestine, and there it will be digested. And why it is useful, this fiber food means it will send all the waste material outside through the anus. Whatever food is digested, these some food items like fiber food items and seeds can't be digested. No, they will not be digested in the small intestine. Simply they go out through large intestine, and from the anus, like in the waste form, they will be going outside. This is about the roughage food. Roughage food is nothing but fiber food. In which food item it is present? Oatmeal, some fruits and vegetables. Okay, our next topic is about, after roughage, what did I told? Water. You all know that water is very important. Yes or no? Without eating food also you can live for some days, but without drinking water we can't be. Yes or no? Without drinking water we cannot survive. That is, cannot live for some days also. That much important water is in our life. Okay, whatever food we are eating, in many fruits and vegetables, this water will be present in many types of fruits and vegetables. Suppose watermelon is there, how much water will be present in that? Yes or no? Like this, in many fruits and vegetables water will be present. More than half of our body weight will be water only. Yes or no? How this water comes every day outside means in the form of the sweat or urine it will come outside. Sweat ante chemata, you know, no? Urine means toilet. Okay, during the morning time, daytime, all the water will be, some water will be going outside in the form of the sweat and urine. I told for you, more than half of our body weight is water only. Okay, and some water will be used up by our body itself. Okay, so water is this much important for us in our life. So daily you need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. 6 to 8 glasses means nearly 1.5 liter to 2 liters. So your children should drink at least 1 liter to 1.5 liter water every day compulsorily. Okay, next one is what? Balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Before learning about the balanced diet, first we shall see what is meant by diet. D-I-E-T. Diet means what? Whatever food you eat daily only is called diet. Okay, today whole what you eat, that food only is called as a diet. Then what is meant by balanced diet means when you are eating food daily, in that food all the Nutrients which I told for you in the previous class and this class I told, no, all the nutrients, that means the food which contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. If all these food items are available in the food which you are eating daily only, then it is called as balanced diet. Means you should not eat today whole food item which contains fats, tomorrow if you eat whole carbohydrates, and day after tomorrow if you eat whole the food which contains vitamins and minerals. Means no, that is wrong. Every day whatever food you are eating, equally all these food items should be there. Means carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, all should be present equally. If they are present equally, that food only is called as a balanced diet. See here, ghee chapatis are there. Ghee means fats are there. Water is there. Okay, beans is there. That is roughage food. Rice is there. Carbohydrates is there. Okay, all the nutrients, that is carbohydrates are there, fats are there, vitamins are there, minerals are there, proteins are there, water is there, and fiber food items, that is roughage food item also is there. All are there in equally. If this all these food items are present equally, then that is only called as the balanced diet. Okay, now see, one more point is there. This sports person will be there, though they need extra energy to do work regularly. Yes or no? They need extra energy means what? They should eat the energy giving food. That means they should eat more carbohydrates and fats, then they will get the more energy. Means sport person. Suppose sick people are there, means who are suffering from any diseases. What they should eat when they are feeling when they got any diseases, what they should eat? They should eat the food which consists of the vitamins and minerals, so that they can fight against the diseases and they can recover soon. Okay, dietitians means what? Will say celebrities, no, cinema people will be there, no. For everybody they will be having separate doctors for them. For each celebrity they will be having separate doctor. Why? They will give them proper food. They'll train for them what to eat for being slim. Okay, by this we have completed about all the nutrients and roughage and water. In the next class we shall learn about how all this food will get digested. Okay, and some proper eating habits. Okay, now I shall wind up the class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you children. Please stay at home and be safe. Thank you.